Quick question. Are you able to put more money into a Roth IRA than the yearly limit allows? Most people assume the answer is no. That the $7,000 limit for those under 50 or $8,000 if you're 50 or over is a hard and fast rule. But there's a strategy that allows tens of thousands of dollars to go into a Roth IRA every year, and it's called the Mega Backdoor Roth. And it can completely supercharge your retirement savings. Hi, I'm Adam Bergman, tax attorney and founder of IRA Financial. For the past 15 years, I've helped thousands of clients take control of their retirement accounts and grow wealth strategically. Today, I want to walk you through exactly how the Mega Backdoor Roth works, why it matters, and what you need to know to do it correctly. So let's start with the basics. A Roth IRA is funded with after-tax dollars. Once the money is in, it grows completely, 100% tax-free, and withdrawals in retirement are also tax-free. That's why Roth accounts are so powerful. The problem is the contribution limits. Even if you max out your Roth IRA each year, most people think that's all they can ever put in. Here's where the Mega Backdoor Roth comes in. If you're self-employed with a solo 401k plan that allows for after-tax contributions, so long as you have sufficient income, you can contribute up to $70,000, dollar for dollar, in after-tax contributions. These after-tax contributions can then be converted into a Roth IRA or a Roth 401k, letting your money compound tax-free far beyond the standard Roth IRA limits. In sum, with a Mega Backdoor Roth 401k in 2025, one can contribute $70,000, dollar for dollar, in after-tax and then convert the funds tax-free to a Roth 401k or even a Roth IRA without the need for any plan-triggering event. The Mega Backdoor Roth solution is the ultimate Roth strategy and the ultimate solution for any Rother. Now, you may be wondering, do I need to be an expert to do this? Not necessarily, but you do need to understand the rules, know your plan's capabilities, and coordinate carefully with your plan administrator or a qualified advisor. Small mistakes can trigger taxes or penalties, which is why guidance is essential. Here's how it works. 1, verify that your solo 401k plan allows for after-tax contributions above the standard limits, because not all plans do. 2, determine whether your plan permits in-service withdrawals or in-plan Roth conversions. This is what allows the money to move from the after-tax account to the Roth account tax-free. 3, contribute the after-tax portion of your solo 401k plan. 4, execute the rollover or conversion. Timing matters. Some investors do quarterly conversions to reduce potential taxable growth, while others wait until year end. The key is consistency and compliance. Personally, I would do the conversion right away. Here's an example. Let's say a self-employed investor contributes the maximum employee deferral and makes additional after-tax contributions of $40,000 in their solo 401k plan. By rolling those contributions into a Roth each year, that money compounds tax-free over decades, potentially growing into several million dollars, depending on returns and, of course, time horizons. For beginners, the principle is pretty straightforward. After-tax contributions plus Roth conversions equals more tax-free growth. For advanced investors, there are additional strategies. You might coordinate rollovers between multiple solo 401k plans or structure contributions in multiple steps throughout the year to optimize timing and minimize tax exposure. Understanding IRS rules on contribution limits, aggregation, and excess contribution is critical. The Mega Backdoor Roth is a powerful tool, but only if executed correctly. That means monitoring contribution limits, completing rollovers promptly, and staying compliant with IRS rules. Scheduling a free consultation with a qualified expert at IRA Financial is the fastest way to make sure you do it correctly, avoid costly mistakes, and maximize the opportunity to put tens of thousands more dollars into a Roth IRA or Roth 401k each year. The Mega Backdoor Roth isn't about shortcuts. It's about understanding the rules, using your plan strategically, and maximizing every opportunity for tax-free growth. If your solo 401k plan allows it, this strategy can dramatically accelerate retirement savings. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Every week, we share strategies to help you take control of your retirement accounts, understand investing techniques, and grow your wealth strategically. Thanks for watching.